Hey, so what we have right here is the Duolingo.com website, which allows you to learn different languages all over the world. And right now, we just need to, if you want to increase the size of this Duolingo app or website right here, if you're using a website, then here's how to do it. Just press Control. After pressing Control is that press the plus or addition button. So that's where you can increase your font size. If you want to decrease it again, you just need to press Control and the subtraction, which is um beside the zero button. Or if you want, you can also press this button right here. If you already pressed the control and plus button, it will show you this button right here. It may allow you to like decrease and increase the font of the Duolingo.